All right, guys, how's it going? This is Jonah Manning. I am the founder of Hire Wells, and I'm building a second demo for you guys today because the first demo we have is just a quick little clip of some of the functionality of Wells. And I want to kind of go into a deeper dive on how I use it on a daily basis and some of the flexibility and things that Wells can do. So the reason why you see the background screen, I actually have my iPad fired up at the same time and dialed in because I want to be able to show you guys because we built this thing natively for Teams and Slack. It's inherently very powerful tool for mobile workers. So if you're distributed, if you're traveling, if uh, you're just working remotely and not just plugged into an office. Yeah, of course it works great in office, but if you're an executive or a leader that's sort of working on the fly, Wells brings you the full functionality of a dedicated sourcing business analyst, research, demand generation, what have you, team. Our flexibility to be able to provide those services all into one solution is the bedrock of what we're building. So without further ado, here, I will show you guys how I do it. Now, I have had the worst luck in demos today. So I have, where is Teams? There we go. So this is like my fourth take. So hopefully this one will work. Okay, so first thing I want to show you guys is this is how I like to run my desk. So I am actively a sourcer. So I'm not just running the company, I'm also sourcing directly for enterprise level clients. So let me move this out of the way here. Okay. So the way that I do it is I build my strings, I build my search strings, I load up the projects for Wells, and I do that at the end of my day. That way I come in the morning with all the research done, I can drop the research into sequences, and my sourcing is, my outbound sourcing is done for the day. So I can focus the rest of my time on client meetings, on processing candidates through the system, closing, whatever I need to do as a sourcer or recruiter. So, but here's how it works. So let me scroll back here. So, okay, so yesterday, I had a couple projects. I was looking for a customer success manager, an enterprise customer success manager, revenue cycle manager, also looking for an SRE, I think was the first project. Can't find it. Oh yeah, here it is. An SRE, can't talk, site reliability engineer, revenue cycle manager, and a front end engineer. And I came in yesterday morning, I had 26 site reliability engineers, 68 enterprise customer success managers, 5 revenue cycle managers, and 12 front end engineers. So I've loaded up. Now I'm traveling and I'm not going to be back until Monday. So I told them for these projects, have everything loaded up and delivered to me on Monday. And that's exactly what they're doing. So I asked for a value-based analyst, and I asked for them to combine the results and give me, I want 100 personal emails to go outbound on. And I actually gave them 2 separate strings to do this for. Looking for a front-end React, or front-end engineer with React experience, looking for 100 there. And here's something interesting. I actually forgot to give them the string, and they pinged me later saying, hey, Joni, you forgot the string. So I loaded it last night about 7:43 p.m. So it's very human, very responsive, because it is human. So our sourcers, our researchers, our people in the back end are empowered by API and data pool services, but they also have a team of really good recruiters and sourcers to help them on their projects. So this morning for the demo, I came in 9:22, as you can see here on the timestamp, and I built a live search logging for a chief of staff. As you can see here, I was delivered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candidates in about 8 minutes. I went through them, started going through them live. I'll try to splice in that video at some point, but I don't know if I'm going to. I said yes to one. I said yes to the first 2, no to the third, and I told them to build a longer list based off of this. Now, we can totally go outbound for you. I can tell them, and I told them, yeah, please reach out to the candidates I like. So while I'm traveling, they're going to go ahead and reach out to these folks and ask if they're interested in having a conversation with me. And if they are, they'll help schedule. They'll send me the feedback, whatever the case may be. I also want to flip over and show you, I wonder if how I can, let me see if I can present from over here. When the host. So I need to stop sharing. And I need to figure out how to there we go. Make host, change host. Okay, so now let's kill this video or kill this and then open it up over here. Hopefully that works. All right, cool. So now I want to show you guys something. So screen. So this is my iPad, obviously, and now where the heck is Teams? Oh, right in front of me. Okay, so everything I was just showing you, it's all here. So you can essentially do everything you're trying to do research-wise, and this is actually a test that didn't work. I was trying to pull a market map, and this link would not open. So it's this link, it's this market map, but for some reason it did not deliver properly. So I don't know what's going on with it. But anyway, everything that was on the desktop on my Mac is also on my iPad and subsequently also on my phone. So I have complete stop video. So I have complete and total device from device to device handoff. There's zero difference in running a campaign in Wells or running a sourcing process in Wells from my iPad, from my iPhone, from my desktop. It's seamless. So hopefully, obviously we'll film more demos to come, but hopefully this gives you an idea of how powerful and how flexible Wells can be, and how fast. This is a great tool for anyone who is building a team, actively sourcing, and doing it in a dynamic way. So more to come. Thank you guys for checking us out.